Yeah. Yeah. You guys ready to have a good time? Yeah. You guys ready to be scared? You should be. Jake doesn't have a license. I know what's going to happen tonight. Folks, we're celebrating the 50th anniversary of Psycho here on the Universal Back. I'm going to be taking out by some of their sets. Unfortunately, I just want to get this out of the way early on. You may have heard about this. There's been a small incident. Chucky's been spotted on the back lot. I don't know you're worried. We're going to check in with security before we get out of here. I'm sure everything's fine. Hey, can you help me? Hello? I don't think you're supposed to be smoking on the job, pal. Hi. Or not drinking either, come to think of it. Well, don't worry about that, guys. Well, let me mention a couple things for your safety and comfort tonight. To make our way through, remain seated. Keep your arms and legs inside the vehicle. Emergency of any kind, pull the emergency cord located right above your heads down the middle of the tram. We'll be back to help you out. If you do have small children with you, I don't know what the hell you're thinking. Stupid. Well, go ahead and give it to the center of the aisle, away from the outside gates. You guys will be perfectly fine. But let's take a little look back now at Chucky's history here on the Universal Live.
In 1988, moviegoers were introduced to a new kind of terror. A demented serial killer trapped in the body of a good guy doll. A doll named Chucky.
Hi, I'm Chucky. Wanna play?
Chucky was an instant hit with horror fans, spawning a string of successful sequels, each more violent than the last. Then, in 1998, Chucky shocked the world by taking a bride. A few years later, they welcomed their first child. Chucky became one of Hollywood's biggest stars. Interviews, magazines, a toy and clothing line, there seemed to be no limit to Chucky's success.
I am Chucky, the killer doll, and I dig it!
But Hollywood is a fickle bitch. The years of being shot, stabbed, sliced, cut, crushed, chopped, burned, butchered, melted, and exploded took their toll on the Chuckster.
Dying is such a bitch.
And eventually, the cracks began to show. Rumors of drinking and gambling filled the tabloids, as well as multiple cases of domestic abuse. Even Chucky's trademark banter was starting to grow tired.
I can't think of a thing to say.
The movie deals dried up, and Hollywood turned its back on Chucky. The final straw came when Universal canceled Chucky's once popular show at Halloween Horror Nights. That same year, the Universal backlot mysteriously burned down. The studio issued a cover story, but everyone knew who was behind the fire. It seems like Hollywood has not seen the last of Chucky.
I'll be back. I always come back.
There's that. Alright guys, don't worry about anything. What's that, Jake? Why are we stopping? Hi guys. Apparently we've had a little issue. We're going to have to stop up here for a moment. Don't worry, we're not going to leave the tram here. We are going to leave you here though. Good luck, folks.